How to verify your Eldorado.gg account. Step 1. Go to eldorado.gg and log in to your account. If you haven't signed up yet, create an account first using your email or social media. Step 2. Once you're logged in, click your profile icon at the top right and select Account Settings. Step 3. Go to the Verification tab. You'll see the list of required documents based on your account activity. Step 4. Upload a valid photo ID like a passport, driver's license, or national ID. Make sure it's clear and not cropped. Step 5. You may also be asked to provide a selfie holding your ID or a note with a today's date. This is a part of their security check. Step 6. In some cases, you'll need to upload a proof of address like utility bill or bank statement from the last 3 months. Step 7. Once everything is submitted, wait for email confirmation verification. Usually takes a few hours to 1 business day. And that's it.